Hello folks, this is Steve ffmpeg. This is US 64. I'm out here, I mowed here yesterday. And while I was mowing, I noticed something. Now, it's been raining a lot lately. See? Oh, there's a lot of them. And they're not all the same. Let me show you. Where did I see that guy? Here we go. This is not the same. Do you think somebody's been eating at it? Basidiomycetes. You love the gills? That's where the seeds, quote unquote, seeds come from. The other ones I like, especially for the color. Now this is a young one. This is just a little kitty. Here's the adult. See, there's two of them. And they're bumping each other. Basidiomycetes. And yeah, experts can tell you what the species is. Let me get the mustache off of him. Steve AB for y'all. Just loving nature. Trying to get a good shot of this one. Saying see you in 73.